decimal fraction. Now in the decimal fraction, before I start with the problem set, I am going to first explain you how to divide the decimal fraction, means dividing it by 10, 100 and 1000. First you should know this, then only you will be able to do the problem set. Now what is given here? Take the numerator of a fraction, start from the unit place. You know what is the unit place? Unit, tens, 100, 1000. So you know which place is the unit place. And move as many places, means you have to move as many places to the left as the number of zeros. After 1, in the denominator and place the decimal point. Now here they are telling us that after 1 in the numerator and place the decimal point, how you are going to place? See, I will show you with the example. You know what is numerator and what is denominator. Now see here, what is given here? 408 divided by 10, or you can take it as 408 upon 10. That means you have to divide. Now here you have to put the decimal point. So how you are going to put? First you write this as it is. Now here, how many zeros are there? Only 1. So starting from the unit side, this only 1 zero. So decimal point will come after only 1 number. Means from the unit place. That is 40.8. How you will read? You will read as 40.8. You have to see the number of zeros down. Suppose if there is only 1 zero, so decimal point will come after only 1 number starting from the unit place. Now second one, 645. How many zeros are there? This is 645 divided by 100. That is 645 upon 100. Means 100 has 2 zeros. So decimal point will come after 2 numbers. That you can see a 1, 2. That is 6.45. Then the third example is of 1000. 3 zeros. That is 87 divided by 1000. Now how you are going to write this? You must be thinking that there is only 2 digits and you have to put the decimal point after 3 numbers. Starting from the unit place, you can see here it is 7, here is 8, here is nothing. So here you are going to add 0. That means decimal point you can put after 3 numbers. So you put your decimal point and you are going to add your 0. Why? Because after decimal point you cannot keep it like that. So you have to put your 0. So what is our answer? 0.087. So here in this we have learned how to divide it by 10, 100 and 1000. Just keep in mind that you have to see the number of zeros and from the unit place you have to start putting the decimal point. That's why I have given this in writing. If you read this, keep this concept in mind and then you will be able to solve the sum. Means how to put the decimal point. Now one more this I am going to write on the blackboard and I will show you how to read. We are going to see how to read a decimal fraction. The first one I have shown you how to divide it by 10, 100 and 1000. Now in this one we are going to see how to read the decimal fraction, how to write also. See here, reading a decimal fraction. What is there? A fraction written in the decimal form. Means in the decimal form is read in same way as a fraction written in the numerator denominator form. Means here they are telling us that a fraction which is written in the decimal form is read in the same way as a fraction written in the numerator and and how to write also, because that problem set is there. So if you understand this, then you will be able to write also. Now here all the fractions I have written 1.8. So reading of the fraction, when I write that, then you will be able to read. So here I will write 1.8. What I wrote? 1.8. Second one is 1.08. So here I will write 1.08. Then 1.80. Again you will write 1.80. First I will write and then I will tell you how to read. This I am reading also and writing also, but once again I will tell you how to read the fraction. This is 0.18. Then last one 0.108. See children, here what is given, this is called as fraction. And reading of the fractions, how you are going to read? See, first one is 1, you can see point and 8. So you will read 1.8. Then second one is 1.08. 1.80. Then 0.18. Then 0.108. Means we are not writing 0.108, 0.18. We are not supposed to write also in that way, nor we have to read also. Usually what we do, we while reading, how you will write, how you will read 0.108, 0.80, 0.180, 0.08. But it is not like that. Here is 1.08. You will read. Here you can read 1.8. Okay, but here sometime you may read as 0.108. No, you will read and write as 0.108. Clear? So in this way, in this we have learned how to read the fraction and write also. Now we are going to start with the problem set 36. See, what is the question given here? Write the following mixed fraction in decimal form and read them aloud. Now here, the first one, starting with the first one, here they are given 3, 9 upon 10. So how you are going to write 39 upon 10? And how you are going to put the decimal point? See here, first you will write 39, and I have already explained you, see the number of zeros down and write from the unit place. There is only 1 zero, so decimal point will come after one number. So what it is 3.9. So here you will write 3.9. Clear? Now the second one is same like the first one. Mixed fraction it is given here in a mixed fraction. Now here you will write 14 upon 10. So you will write 14 upon 10. Then you will write 14 here. Decimal point will come after one number, that is 1.4. So here you will write 1.4. Yeah. Then the third one is 3 upon 10. So again you will write same, this 53 upon 10. Decimal point will come after point after one number, because only one zero is there. First you will write it, then put decimal point and add 0. And how you will write? 0.8. Clear? Then the last one is 5 upon 10. Decimal point will come after how many number? 1. Because only 1 0 is there. So if I put here decimal point, here I will add 0. So how you will write? 0.5. Clear? So in this way, the problem set 36, we have learned how to do the mixed fraction in decimal form, and we have learned how to read also. Again I am repeating only the first sum so that you can understand remaining 5. Now here it is given in a mixed fraction. You have to write then 39 upon 10. Then you will put the decimal point after only one number, because only 1 0 is down. Starting from the unit place. If I write 39, you have to say unit place and put the decimal point, only 1 0. And I will read as 3.9. So remaining sums are same. Now let us start with the next.